Yo Apurva Vaidyaya Namostu Tasmai. Welcome to Drona Institute. I am Dr. Neethu. So, one of the areas which was asked in 2022 AIAPGET exam was Madhumeha pitaka. So, today we are going to learn one of the Madhumeha pitaka, that is Vinata with code. Okay, so we'll take it this way. Vinata is a girl who has fallen down. Okay, she fell down. So, where did she get hurt when she fell down? She got hurt on her back and her stomach. She hit her back and her stomach. So, Vinata pitaka happens on Prishta and Udara. Okay, and the second point is, you have to understand that even if you are great, if you step on a clay, you will slip and fall. Okay, so great stands for Mahati, clay stands for Avagada Rujakleta, and fallen down. Who has fallen down? Vinata has fallen down. So, Vinata is Mahati and Avagada Rujakleta. Okay, and when you fall down, what is the color of discoloration that you get? It is blue, right? So, Vinata has Neela Pitaka. Pretty easy, right? Now I'm sure you won't forget this. So if you want to learn Ayurveda with such tricks and codes and crack the competitive exam, do join us. The registration portals are open. You have to visit www.dronaayurveda.com for registration. Thank you.